it's a wet day here in Texas. It's been raining all night, all day, but you know, that's not going to stop me from being out here cooking. I got the Bronco getting up to temp right now. I'm going to get it to about 250. I'm going to be hanging some turkey legs. I got 3 turkey legs that were given to me by my mother-in-law, so thank you, Lydia, thank you. I'm going to hang those, cook those. I haven't cooked turkey legs on the Bronco before, ever. So this is the first time I'm doing turkey legs on the Bronco, so let's see how it turns out. All right, I'm going off my temp gauge right here. I'm sitting at 250. So, and I'm using B&B post-soak lump charcoal. All right, so I did season 2 turkey legs with the Fiesta chicken rub, and then 1, which is this one, with the Killer Hogs BBQ Rub. So kind of what I'm shooting for. Kind of like it hanging right there. Get a little close. Yeah, so they're gonna hang there, they're gonna drip down into the lump. Get a better view of what it looks like. And then I have some cooking twine right there. So yeah, so sitting at 250, let it roll. I'm gonna take a look at those turkey legs. You ready? Oh yeah, looking good. They coming along, looking good. Yeah. There's that lump. Looking still good. I lit up a cube right there in the middle. Yeah, so it's burning outward. Yeah, looking pretty good, don't you think? So I'm gonna close it up and then we'll continue on. It's been a gloomy Saturday, but you know what? I'm out here cooking. You know, it is what it is. But let's check out the turkey legs. I have a feeling they're done. Let's check them out. Oh yeah. Check them out. They looking nice. Man, beautiful. Man, that Killer Hog right there. That B&B charcoal. That lump. Good at your job. Alright, so I'm gonna take them off, let them rest for a bit. I'm ready to eat. I don't know about y'all, but look at that. You got a Bronco. If you don't, you like what you see right here, go out and get you a Bronco. If you have a Bronco, hang those turkey legs, hang them. You won't be disappointed. Look at that. Alright, let's let them rest. Turkey leg, turkey leg. Alright, doesn't that look beautiful? Considering, you know, it's kind of a gloomy Saturday, you know, been raining, but you know, you got to cook on, you got to keep going. But luckily it didn't pour down rain. It was sprinkling. I don't know if the camera even caught that, but it was sprinkling, not heavy, but you know, still it was a good day overall, just hanging out here. With those turkey legs, they took a total of 2 hours to cook. If you're interested on the time, I kept it around 250. Sometimes it did go up because, you know, charcoal is up, you know, it's catching on, so then it'll get up and then it'll go back down. Expect it, you know, but for overall, I mean, it's a Bronco. It performed well. You can't beat that, guys. You just can't beat that. So if you have a Bronco and you've never hung turkey legs, well, now you can. It's awesome. I mean, just the smell when I was just sitting out here in the garage, the smell was just hitting me. I was like, yeah. And that's how you also know too when they're almost done. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a bite of one of them was the Killer Hogs Rub, and the other one is the Boners Chicken Rub. So this is the Boners Chicken Rub right here. And look at that. Isn't that nice? Nice color, nice. So here you go. Oh yeah. Oh man, I just love the way it takes that turkey meat, but then with the rub. Oh man. This is legit right here. Oh, this is legit. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's take a bite of that Killer Hogs Rub. Yeah, look at that. Gave it more of a darker color to it, red. Yeah. Oh, here it goes. I don't know if you'll catch it, but I mean, it is not dry at all. Oh yeah. Man, this is not, oh yeah. That hog rub. Look at that. Not moist at all. That's what you get when you hang your meat on this Bronco. So hang your turkey legs next time we got the Bronco. Not go out there and get you a Bronco. Hang all the meat you want on there. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Won't be disappointed. Well, it was a good cook. Fun to cook as always. Chilled out, listen to music, watch some YouTube, drink my favorite beverages. So it's time for me to head inside and finish this food off. As always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.